What is up, YouTube? It is Tron Raptor 77 here, and I got off of school. I got up this morning. My mom told me I was off of school today, and because there's supposed to be a huge blizzard today. Date is 12/20/2012, Brookfield, Wisconsin, and blizzard is just beginning here in Brookfield, and it's hell out right now. It doesn't look like it's coming down that hard on camera, but it really is. It is absolutely horrible out here. Yeah. Well, we are in Wisconsin, so it snows all the time here. So, getting you an idea of what the snow is like. It's kind of this like hard packed snow. It's about it's probably gonna, when the storm's over, probably be like 2-3 feet of snow out here. The wind is absolutely horrible. Holy crap. Yeah. Just wanted to let you guys know what it's like. For those of you who have never seen snow before. Yeah, just like, comment, subscribe this video. Like and comment this video and subscribe. Yeah, you can see I got a snow flake there. There's more snow. The reason why that snowflake was on the lens is because like I was pointing my camera the way that the snow was. Like the direction the snow was going, put my camera in the opposite direction. That's why the flake is on there. So again, please like, comment this video, and subscribe as always. Peace out.